Dense bean salad. A simple, protein-packed recipe made with pantry ingredients. Ingredients you'll need: 1 canned chickpeas, drained and rinsed, 1 cup chopped cucumber, 1/2 cup halved cherry tomatoes, 1/4 cup finely diced red onion, 2 tablespoons chopped parsley, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon Dijon mustard, salt and pepper to taste. Add chickpeas to a large mixing bowl. Add the chopped cucumber. Add halved cherry tomatoes. Mix the beans, cucumbers, and tomatoes. Sprinkle in diced red onion and chopped parsley. Drizzle with olive oil and red wine vinegar. Add Dijon, mustard, salt, and pepper. Toss well until evenly coated. Cover and refrigerate for at least 1 hour. Serve chilled as a protein-packed lunch or side dish. You can vary the salad by replacing all or some of the chickpeas with another bean variety, like red kidney beans. Feta cheese can also be added for additional flavor and nutrition. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video, and subscribe to the channel for more recipes and cooking tips.